Alright, here's a couple of my mowers that I have. It's the Crown Jewel, or well, not the Crown Jewel, but she's old. It's an old Sears 10-horse Suburban 6-speed. Put flames on it when I was like 12. I'll probably paint it back all white and restore it though. Yep. Tank and bearing equipped. When they say extra long life, they mean extra long life. This engine's never been apart. It's, I think, a 62 or 3. And it fires right up. It's not the original gas tank though, that's a Cub Cadet gas tank. It's actually that Cub Cadet right there. That's for sale too. The old exhaust rusted off, so it just shoots out the side there with a cheap muffler. Here's the one that's going to be a project pretty soon. This one's going to turn into a redneck go-kart. So it's all beat up and shit. It's got a Briggs & Stratton V-twin 402 horse on it. The engine runs good, just the deck blew up on it. Shouldn't be too bad to get that thing going. We had to redo the whole ignition now. To start it, shit. To start it, you gotta flick that on and start that, then it'll crank. I don't have a battery in it right now though. But yeah, that was good. I'll probably change the exhaust on it, put something real redneck in. Here's the newest one. This is just strictly the lawnmower. This ain't nothing special. Just a Murray. 540 cut, 6-speed. 12.5 horsepower, Briggs & Stratton. Runs like a top, starts right up. We just got this one for 250 bucks. Needs cleaned, but it runs good. Let's see. Let's close that. Get over here. This is the Cub Cadet. Currently not running. It's a Kohler motor. I have all that. First for hydrostatic transmission, or clutch, I mean, or whatever. This motor's blown. It's the second time it's done that. We completely rebuilt it and it blew up again. Used to be a good runner. Oh well. Got it's the plow for the Sears. That's just the go-kart. That's gonna be for sale soon too. Still a 5-horse. Centrifugal clutch. Starts right up. I'm not sure how much we'll be asking for that one yet. But yeah, that's a short rundown of my mowers. I have another video soon to show what I do to them. Alright, till then.